Hello, my name is Ben Scotto, and I'm a proud member of the Education Hours team with Savings Plus. That's a Division College R. So yes, just like you, I'm a state employee. This video will cover the 457B traditional catch-up form and how to complete it. Let's get started. The Savings Plus 457B plan has a provision that allows you to contribute more than standard annual contribution limit if you're close to normal retirement age and eligible. The traditional catch-up provision permits you to contribute up to twice the base limit. That's 2 times $20,500 for a total of $41,000 in 2022. That's per year, the 3-year period prior to the year in which you reach the normal retirement age as defined by the plan. Contributions to the plan are done by salary deferral only. A quick disclaimer: we don't provide financial or tax advice. You may want to consult with a financial advisor or other professional to discuss your specific situation prior to submitting the form. Where to find the form? Go to savingsplusnow.com. Forms, publications, governing documents, and reports. Then additional documents and forms. Under the additional documents and forms section, 457B traditional catch-up form. Shown here is page 1 of the 457B traditional catch-up form. Please take the time to read through all the important information before completing the form. The maximum amount you may contribute in 2022 utilizing catch-up is $41,000, which is twice the annual limit. It includes $20,500 for the current year and the additional $20,500 from previous years. You may choose any combination of underutilized previous years, present to 1979, to maximize your contribution. The earliest year the application allows is 2002. However, if you need to choose years prior to that, you are able to do so. Please contact the Savings Plus Solution Center for that form. The years you choose do not have to be successive. If eligible, choose more recent years for a couple of reasons. The maximums in recent years are higher, making it easier to reach the maximum allowed. Also, you must submit copies of your W-2s for the years that are underutilized you wish to catch up. It's much easier to locate or request W-2s for more recent years. If you maximize the recent years, please choose as many years in the past that you need to in order to reach your goal. Notice the maximum contribution limits are listed for each tax year in column 2 of page 2. Here's a basic example of how to complete the chart. Let's say you underutilized contributions in years 2021, 20, 19, and 18. In years 2021, 2020, and 2019, you didn't make any contributions, so you're able to catch up the full contribution limits for those years. You also underutilized contributions in 2018. However, you did contribute $15,000 during that calendar year, leaving $3,500 to apply to catch up. You total all the underutilized amounts and indicate at the bottom of this page. In this example, the total underutilized amount is $61,500. This amount is the maximum amount you can contribute if you participate in catch-up for the full 3 years. Consider finding an additional $1,000 to $1,500 in underutilized years to cover the potential maximum contribution limit increases in coming years. By doing this, you will not have to redo this form if they do increase. Section 1 on page 3 is simple to complete. Provide your name, account number, or social security number, email, preferred phone number. You must also indicate your normal retirement age. Remember, the age indicated must be between 50 and 70 and a half, or if you're in PEPRA, it's 55 to 70 and a half, and must reflect the age you will be in the year following your catch-up completion year. In section 3 on page 3, indicate the consecutive years going forward you wish to participate in catch-up. For instance, if you wish to begin catch-up in 2022 and want to participate in 3 years, you indicate 2022, 2023, and 2024. For the catch-up amount, indicate the current maximum of $20,500, then indicate the total $61,500. Remember, you are not required to contribute the full amount. You may always choose a lower amount if you wish. Being approved for the full amount gives you the flexibility to maximize your contributions. If the maximum increases while you're participating in catch-up, You're able to contact us to adjust your contributions to the new maximums, assuming you have additional eligible unutilized contribution years. If you're participating in catch-up while you're working and wish to have your contributions changed for year one, indicate the new amount on either the pre-tax or Roth lines. If you're requesting the catch-up amount to be taken from your lump sum distribution and don't wish your contributions to be changed, check this box. Section 6 on page 3 requires your signature and date. Mail the form along with copies of your W-2s to the nationwide address indicated, or you may fax it in. Please note, you are not able to use both the traditional catch-up and age-based catch-up provisions in your 457B plan in the same calendar year. If you continue to work for the state after participating in traditional catch-up, you may participate in age-based catch-up if you're age 50 or older. If you have any questions, please email Savings Plus at spptraining@calhr.ca.gov. Go to our website, savingsplusnow.com. Contact our Solution Center, 855-616-4776. That's 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. Pacific Time, Monday through Friday. I want to thank you very much for your time today. I hope this video has helped.